The Megalodon, a name that echoes through time, conjuring images of a prehistoric terror. This ancient predator with its massive jaws and formidable presence has left an indelible mark on our collective imagination. This colossal shark, reigning supreme millions of years ago, has captivated our imaginations. Its sheer size and power made it the undisputed ruler of the ancient seas. Imagine a creature so large it dwarfed even the largest great white shark alive today. The Megalodon was a true giant, a behemoth of the deep. The Megalodon, meaning big tooth, lived up to its name. Its teeth were not just large, they were serrated, designed to slice through flesh with terrifying efficiency. Its teeth, some exceeding 7 inches in length, are the stuff of nightmares. These formidable tools were perfect for hunting large prey, ensuring the Megalodon's dominance. Fossil evidence paints a picture of a predator that ruled the oceans from approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago. This reign spanned millions of years, a testament to its adaptability and prowess. But what if this apex predator had never vanished from the face of the earth? What if it had continued to evolve, adapting to the changing world around it? What if the Megalodon continued to evolve alongside its modern-day relatives? How would our oceans look today with such a giant still lurking in the depths? The very thought sends shivers down our spines, but it also sparks a fire of curiosity within us. It challenges our understanding of evolution and survival. The possibility, however improbable, is a tantalizing thought experiment. It invites us to ponder the mysteries of the deep and the creatures that once roamed it. It compels us to delve into the depths of evolutionary biology, marine ecology, and the delicate balance of life in our oceans. The Megalodon may be gone, but its legacy continues to inspire and intrigue us. The world the Megalodon knew was vastly different from our own. The oceans were warmer, and the marine ecosystems were teeming with a variety of large prey. This ancient predator thrived in an environment that was both rich and competitive. Over millions of years, oceans have cooled, prey animals have evolved, and competition for resources has intensified. The marine environment has undergone significant transformations, with new species emerging and others going extinct. These changes have continuously reshaped the food web and the dynamics of ocean life. For the Megalodon to survive to the present day, it would have had to adapt to these changing conditions. This adaptation would not have been a simple process. It would have required significant evolutionary changes over countless generations. One possibility is that the Megalodon would have gradually decreased in size. As the availability of large prey diminished, a smaller, more efficient body size might have been favored by natural selection. Smaller prey and cooler waters might have favored a more streamlined, agile predator. This adaptation would have allowed the Megalodon to conserve energy while hunting and to thrive in a wider range of oceanic conditions. Imagine a shark, still significantly larger than a great white, but more adapted for hunting in the depths. This deep-sea predator would have developed enhanced sensory capabilities to navigate and hunt in the dark, cold waters of the ocean's depths. Alternatively, the Megalodon might have retained its massive size, becoming a specialized hunter of large whales. This scenario suggests a predator that evolved to take advantage of the largest prey available in the ocean. In this scenario, the Megalodon might have developed even more powerful jaws and teeth to pierce the thick blubber of its prey. Such adaptations would have made it an even more formidable predator, capable of taking down the largest marine mammals. Its sensory organs, too, might have adapted, allowing it to detect the subtle movements and vocalizations of whales across vast distances. These heightened senses would have been crucial for locating and hunting its elusive prey in the vast ocean. The evolutionary journey of the Megalodon, had it survived, would have been a fascinating dance between maintaining its predatory prowess and adapting to the ever-changing dynamics of the ocean. This journey would have showcased the incredible resilience and adaptability of one of the ocean's most iconic predators. Picturing a modern-day Megalodon requires a blend of scientific speculation and imaginative leaps. If the Megalodon had evolved to hunt in deeper, colder waters, it might have developed a darker coloration to blend into the depths. Its eyes might have grown larger, enhancing its vision in low-light conditions. The massive gill slits that once allowed it to process oxygen in warmer waters might have become slightly smaller, reflecting a slower metabolism in its colder environment. On the other hand, a Megalodon that retained its massive size might have developed a more streamlined body shape to reduce drag as it pursued swift-moving whales. Its dorsal fin, a prominent feature on modern sharks, might have grown even larger, acting as a stabilizing rudder during high-speed chases. Regardless of its specific adaptations, one thing is certain: a modern-day megalodon would be a sight to behold, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of evolution. The presence of a super predator like the megalodon would undoubtedly have profound effects on marine ecosystems. Its sheer size and appetite would demand a constant supply of prey. Populations of large whales, seals, sea lions, and other marine mammals might experience significant declines as the megalodon asserted its dominance at the top of the food chain. This, in turn, could have cascading effects on other species. For example, a decline in seals could lead to an increase in the populations of fish and squid that seals typically prey upon. These shifts in predator-prey relationships could ripple throughout the entire ecosystem, altering the delicate balance that has evolved over millennia. Section 5. Humanity and the Megalodon, a clash of titans. The relationship between humans and the ocean has always been a complex one. For centuries, we have ventured into its vast expanse, seeking sustenance, adventure, and even solace. The ocean in turn has provided us with an abundance of resources and mysteries. We rely on the ocean for food, transportation, and recreation. From the bustling ports that facilitate global trade to the serene beaches where families gather, the ocean is an integral part of our lives. Yet we also pose significant threats to its delicate ecosystems. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are just a few of the challenges that our oceans face due to human activity. The presence of a super predator like the megalodon would add a new layer of complexity to this relationship. Imagine a creature so powerful that it could alter the very balance of marine life. Encounters between humans and megalodons would be inevitable. These giants of the deep would roam the same waters that we fish, swim, and explore. Particularly in areas where both species congregate to feed or breed, the potential for conflict would be high. Coastal regions, rich in marine life, would become hotspots for such interactions. Fishing, already a dangerous profession, would take on a whole new level of risk. The presence of megalodons would make the ocean an even more unpredictable and perilous place. Imagine a fishing net, heavy with the day's catch, suddenly ensnared by a creature of immense power. The struggle between man and beast would be a dramatic and dangerous spectacle. Or a pod of whales, fleeing in terror from a hunting megalodon, capsizing boats in their path. Such scenarios would not only be perilous but also highlight the raw power of nature. The presence of megalodons would demand a heightened awareness of the ocean's power. We would need to adapt our ways, respecting the might of these ancient predators, and an even greater respect for the creatures that inhabit its depths. The ocean, with all its wonders and dangers, would remind us of our place in the natural world. Section 6. A World of Giants: The Ripple Effect on Marine Ecosystems. The impact of a surviving megalodon would extend far beyond its immediate interactions with prey and humans. Its presence would likely influence the behavior and distribution of other marine creatures. Whales, for example, might alter their migration routes to avoid areas where megalodons are known to hunt. Fish populations, sensing the presence of a predator, might school more tightly or seek refuge in shallower waters. These behavioral adaptations would, in turn, create a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem. Coral reefs, already facing threats from climate change and pollution, might experience further stress as fish populations shift or decline. The intricate web of life that defines our oceans would be forever altered by the presence of this ancient leviathan. Section 7. Conservation and Coexistence. A daunting challenge. If the megalodon were alive today, its conservation would present an unprecedented challenge. As an apex predator with vast territorial needs, protecting the megalodon would require international cooperation and a fundamental shift in our approach to ocean management. We would need to establish vast marine reserves where megalodons could hunt and reproduce without interference from human activities. This would require a delicate balancing act, as many of the areas most crucial for megalodon survival are also important fishing grounds or shipping lanes. Finding ways to coexist with such a formidable creature would test our ingenuity and our commitment to protecting the planet's biodiversity. Section 8. The Megalodon's Legacy. Lessons from a Phantom of the Deep. Even though the megalodon is long gone, its legacy continues to inspire awe and wonder. Its story serves as a reminder of the immense power of nature and the incredible diversity of life that has existed on Earth. The megalodon's extinction, while a natural part of the evolutionary process, also highlights the delicate balance of ecosystems and the potential consequences of environmental change. By studying the Megalodon, we gain a deeper understanding of the history of our planet and the forces that have shaped life as we know it. The Megalodon may be a phantom of the deep, but its story continues to echo through time, urging us to appreciate the wonders of the natural world and to protect the delicate balance of life on Earth. Section 9. Conclusion: Our place in a world of ancient wonders. The possibility of a surviving Megalodon, while purely hypothetical, forces us to confront our place in the grand tapestry of life. It reminds us that we share this planet with creatures that have survived for millions of years, creatures that possess a power and majesty we can only marvel at. In a world where the Megalodon never went extinct, our relationship with the ocean would be forever changed. We would be compelled to acknowledge the limits of our own dominance and to embrace a future where coexistence, not conquest, is the key to our survival. The Megalodon, a symbol of both terror and wonder, would serve as a constant reminder of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the importance of respecting the delicate balance of life on Earth.